Hello guys, this is Pawan from Electronics. So as in my last video, I had showed you how we can use Pagekite for making any local IP publicly accessible. So there are limited access for that also. So here we will understand how we can make that access for unlimited time or for longer duration, I would say, because there are some ways through which we can do that. So there is one way, like we can use temporary email address. There we can get the details, login details, and we can use those details for our Pagekite. So what we can do, we will just go to our, let's say, Pagekite website first. Then we will just go to the home page. This is our home page, and here you can see, as in my last video also I told, like should have Python 3, and then we should download pagekite.py to our desktop, and these things should be there. So these are the things we should have, and then we can run the program. Now we have to basically sign up for this. So we'll just click on sign up, and here we go. As soon as we will just click on sign up, we will have this email address and all, kite name. We should give some unique kite name, and then only we can access. So for that, what will you do? I'll just go to temp email, and here we go. This is our first link. Here we can get the temporary email address. So what I'll do, I'll just let it come first. So here we can just copy this, and we can just paste it here, and now we can give one unique name, and here we can give unique name and kite name, and that will be like test anything, like unique 123, let's say, because it should not taken by anyone, then only. So test unique 123.pagekite.me. so I'll just click on this, and then we will just sign up. So here you can see, congratulations, you are now one email away from having your own Pagekite. We have sent mail to your email address with details on how to activate and use your Pagekite account. So it should arrive within a few minutes. So here you can see, now if you just go to Temp Mail, here was our inbox in below. So here you can see one email we got. We will just click on it, and we will just see welcome to Pagekite. And to activate here directly, we can do this thing. Also we can first copy this thing, so that we will not lost this thing. So we just copy here the credential, and we will just click on this, and here our Pagekite is got started now. As you can see, now 31 days left, quota this much, and kites we have 0 left of 1, connections we have 5 left of 5. Now what will we do? We will just go to our Visual Studio Code. In my previous video I had already shown you like how to download, and here is a very simple thing. I just need to go to the home screen and just need to download the Pagekite and all. So this is my Visual Studio Code. Just ignore these projects and all, we don't require right now. Now this is the thing. We are basically in let's say, go to the Sigwin. Just in my last video I had also showed like how to integrate Sigwin emulator in our Visual Studio Code. So now we are in Sigwin, so we'll just cd. Okay, let's just let it happen. So just configuration of platform, it will just take a while. Okay, so now everything is fine. Now we will just we are on now I am on my Windows directory. So now I can go to my download section. So here, from here we can clear, and from here we can run Python, and then we can say Pagekite.py, and we have to forward port 80, and then we can say test unique 123.pagekite.me. So before hitting enter, I'll just run my server because my server is not running. So what I'll do, I'll just go to XAMPP, and we'll just go to as an administrator privilege. We'll just open it, and we'll just start Apache and start MySQL. And as soon as we'll do that, we'll just go to our localhost now, localhost dashboard. So here you can see because we had started our Apache and MySQL, so we are getting this web. So this this is in my local IP address in localhost. I'll just make it publicly accessible. So for that what we need to do, we need to just go to our again Visual Studio Code terminal, and here I'll just hit enter, and here after giving the enter command, it will ask the service for yes or no. We will just give yes, and what is your email address. We will again go to our this thing, and we will just okay, we had just copied this thing here. So this was our email address, so we will just copy, and we will go to our this thing Visual Studio Code, and paste it, and now it is asking password. Now again for password, this is our password BC6Z94DD. So I'll just go here, BC6Z94DD. okay, enter. So it is asking to save the configuration. We will give yes, so that it won't ask again and again. So so here you can see kites are flying and all is well. So now here if I just go to our this thing, what I say, like our web browser, and here if I'll just go here, and if I'll just go that that unique URL what I got, so I'll just simply copy this and I'll paste it here, and if I'll enter, so here you can see now we will get our XAMPP server. So here you can see so this is the thing. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. Thank you guys, thank you very much.